Okay, welcome back to our next topics or next section for our free online lesson. So I introduce myself. My name is Shafiq Farhan. For today, our topics will focus more on Inventor parametric modeling. So how we do parameter modeling using Inventor. So that's our main focus for our topic today. Okay, before I start, let me give one poll so I can study all of you start from which background. Okay, so on your screen you can get one question. You can answer that. Right, so while waiting for others to answer, I will go to our website first. So this will be Acad system official website. So acadsystems.com on any browser address bar. So then go to our, then this link will give you direct to our landing page, our main page. So over here you will see the menu button, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this one will our latest Autodesk promotion and news and our free online lesson that we always publish monthly. So for example, if you want to know about this month, you can go to our website and check. For tomorrow, we have one topics regarding licensing for Autodesk. So you can join for tomorrow lesson also. Okay, don't forget to register first. All right, so I go back to poll. Okay, thanks for your answering the question. I will end. All right, so based on your screen, you will see that they have 25% and also 25% for civil engineer and also manufacturer for our participant today. Goods and manufacturer is Inventor is one of the best solution if you plan to do manufacturing detail drawing. Okay, so I go to our slide first. So this will be our slideshow. Right, so what is changing this year? So I believe all presentation will start with this. So Autodesk already changed new plan from serial number from XXX number to a user. We call it as a name user. So means after this, no more serial number and every single license will stick to email address. But if you purchase more than one, you also can assign into a specific user. Okay, for next slide, this will be what things or what happened that Autodesk also already retired a few plan. Okay, so this one design suite creation, maintenance plan, and also multi-user. So starting from August 7, 2021 later, okay, you cannot use anymore your multi-user subscription. Means no more network license after this. Okay, that's the idea from what Autodesk are trying to do. So this will be the basic information or basic things that normal uh, contract manager will see. So when they already purchased a new license, that they can go to manage.autodesk.com, okay, can add a new user into this one user management by user. Okay, to add or remove user, you just go to here. To assign product, you just need to click on the username and then you can remove it. Okay, so as you can see on screen, they will have two things, the three types of role. The first role is primary admin, secondary admin, and also user. So primary means for those that purchase, secondary that already assigned, primary already assigned the secondary admin, okay, and user for those that want to use the software. Okay, so these will be the things that need to know, and Autodesk already changed starting this year. Right, so if you want to know about product design manufacturing collection, okay, all this on your screen or will be included on this bundle. We call it as a product design manufacturing collection. Okay, Inventor Professional, Inventor Nasran, Inventor Cam, and a few more software. Also, you will get AutoCAD, which include 8 software inside it, 7 specialized toolset inside it, including mechanical, electrical, map, MEP, Plant 3D, and etc. Okay, so I go to our website for products. Okay, if you want to know more about Acad system, what Acad system do, so you can go to here. We provide a very good service, which is help desk. We also provide, our company also sell product. For example, this one, product design manufacturing collection. So you can click on product design manufacturing collection. Pricing for 1 year and also 3 years. Okay, much more good value if you go with 3 years because you will get extra discount, and all this software will be included inside product design manufacturing collection. All right, so this will be the general idea regarding Acad system. So I go direct to our topics today, which is parametric modeling. So inside Inventor itself, they will have, you can do mechanical design and also you can do design automation. Okay, so parametric modeling is very basic before you start design automation. So for example, if you plan to go with iLogic later, so you need to create parametric modeling first before you go with iLogic. Okay, so design mechanical, you can also, after you're done with your 3D parametric, you can also automatically generate your 2D drawing. The dimension will be follow together and the scale you can set later on. Okay, design automation, for example, you have one sample conveyor over here. Okay, then you want to create, you want to change it using a basic, for example, from 12 meter, you want to change into 10 meter, you just need to click over here and change it. Okay, that's the idea for design automation. Okay, for this, our topic, which is parametric modeling, which need to have two software. The first software is Inventor. The second software, which is Microsoft Excel. Okay, how I link between one software, Excel, to Inventor. Right, so I go to my PC, Excel. So this will be my Excel, and I already create one file. Or if you plan to create any new file, you can go to here. So make sure you need to, for example, my best practice, I will create L_mm. Okay, because if I put only H cannot use anymore on Inventor. Okay, because Inventor itself already specify H into a certain parameter. So you need to use something. So normally I will practice like this, H_mm or H1_mm. Then you just need to key in your value, for example, 70, 50, 40, and then at C1, you can put your unit, mm. Okay. If I plan to have one parameter which include angle, so I can click angle, specify the angle, and put DEG for degree. So that will be the starting point using parametric modeling. Okay, what will happen at the end of our modeling? So later, when you go to your Excel, you just need to change the value 60, click save, then your modeling will be updated. That's the idea on what will happen today. Okay, so I start with 2D sketching first and then extrusion. Okay, so this will be the end product that I already created previously. So now if I plan to create a new one, I just need to click on new paper, standard over here. Okay, choose the proper plane. For example, for this case, I will choose this one. Okay, for the first step, I just need to create the drawing without doing any dimension yet. Okay, over here, 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay, so over here. So something like this. So after done the basic shape, so what I need to do, I just need to put dimension one by one. Okay, for example, from this point to this line. Okay, go to our this one. Okay, so I just save this image first to my desktop. Okay, to make it easy, so I just insert that image to my sketching area. Okay, this desktop. Okay, so the first size should be 70. Okay, and then I put a second size over here. I just put 10 and continue with the following information there. This one 10. Here to here should be 40. Okay, and I zoom a little bit. Okay, so after you're done with sketching, for example, you're already done with the sketch. So what you need to do, okay, you can go click finish sketch and go to here, parameter. Okay, click on link. Okay, I repeat. So to go to parameter, you just need to click on the FX button at top. Click on link, and then you can link your Excel file. For example, over here from that data, previous data. Okay, the information will be automatic go to here. Right. So what will you can do next? So I go to my previous sample that done. Over here, sketching. So this will be the sketching that I had done previously. So what I can do, either I want to click the parametrics over here. So just click on this dimension, go to this icon, list parameter, and then choose what parameter that related to this line. Okay, or I can go to parameter directly. If I know, I just directly go h_mm, and I just click here, right click list parameter also, h_mm. Okay, so for here, if I plan to change this 50 without changing the Excel, I just need to go to here, wait, this one 50. So I just need to go to this parameter, 50 will be this one. So if I change 60 and I press enter, you see my drawing will be updated over here. 70, so I zoom a little bit, this one 60, enter, so become 70. So that's the idea on what we try to do. Okay, so this 50 mm, when I want to link with the parameter that I already linked with Excel, I just need to click here, list parameter, and choose height mm, then hit enter. So then will be updated. So any changes on my Excel later on, I just need to create using only change on my Excel only. No need to go to here anymore. All right. So if I plan to create end product something like this, should I create circle first? No. So because later when you want to do changes, it's quite complicated because already fixed into sketching. But my suggestion, when you plan to create, for example, this circle, okay, you can use this method. For example, I try to end this part. Okay, by default, you're already done with this. Okay, click on this whole features. All right, so choose any area that you want. Okay, over here you can put the dimension for your whole size, the diameter. So just click on this. Maybe you have your own list parameter. Click. And then you need to go to this sketch file to specify the dimension. 1 and 2. So if this one you also have the dimension, you can click on here, h_mm divide by 2. So 25, the value will be 25. Later when the drawing change the height to 60, this value will change into 30 because 60 minus 2 become 30. Okay, so that will be the idea for sketching. Okay, I click, I delete this one. All right, so after you're done with link something. Okay, also for example, this one, if you plan to create one fillet over here, I can also create a fillet using formula h1 underscore 4ul. Okay, and you will also can create two fillet formula. So this will be this area, and this will be another area, excluding this one. Okay, this one, another area. Okay, but if I plan to create also another one, I just need to click here. So maybe the value will become more small, and I choose loop for this. Okay, so I edit again, fillet, edit features, add one. So 0.2, for example, first over here. Okay, cannot because the size cannot meet the value. All right, so this will be the method that I create using parametric. So what will happen at the end, and what will happen on this after you're done with setting, all setting. So your parameter already done, your modeling also already done, your sketching, and also you already put the equation for your modeling. So you need to go to your Excel only. Save. Okay, so this will be my Excel, and what I need to do, I just need to change over here. For example, this one I change to 100, 65, 20, 30. So degree, maybe I just leave it 70 and click save. Okay, so on your drawing, you see this will be the basic size that I create the dimension. So what you need to do, you just need to click on this update, local update. Okay, so the size have issue, sketching, edit sketch. Okay, so the size problem. Okay, so I just need to make sure that this extrusion will change and the size will be updated. Okay, the problem is because this area already changed because the size of this one. 60, 15, 30, and also 70. Save. Okay, and I click update. Okay, then the size will follow here. Okay, so when you plan to change again, change more on your drawing. Okay, and if you plan to change, for example, this extrusion. So what my idea is, I could create something like this. So I create offset from, maybe I can show you one time. So from here, I already cut this area, and I plan to create a offset inside. I just need to click on new sketch. Okay, go to offset, click here. For example, 1 mm, 1 mm, and also here 1, here also 1, 1, and 1. Okay, this one. So after done, to make sure that you can do the cutting, you just click here, flip the direction, and will be cut. But the problem is your width here is 12.5. So how to make it, the distance will be consistently follow 12.5. So you just need to go to this value, list parameter. For example, for this case, you need to create on this, wait, I need to check back. So 12.5 will be this one, 15, H1. Okay, I need to use H1. Extrude, here, flip, click on list parameter H1 divide by 4 times 3. 3 times H1. Okay, the size will be always follow the total length here. Then hit OK. Okay, when you click on the parameter, the latest one, the newest one will be go at the bottom. Okay, why you see this one? Okay, extrusion 3 degree, because when you plan to do the extrusion, edit features, they will have one option to create taper here. So that's the reason why you see 0 degree. Okay, so this will be the method, and I plan to create my thickness over here. Thickness 0.75 mm. So I just need to change, save, go to Inventor. Okay, so what I can do, I can go back to my parameter. Okay, so over here, if you create a new one, they will have some issue that you will facing. Okay, you also can update later. Okay, but this one here, this software will help you to automatic update on your thickness on your Excel. For example, you create a new one, ABC MM1. Okay, just save, go to Inventor. Okay, so you just click done and open again. So you see ABC over here. Okay, so my idea is to change over here to thickness. Copy and paste. And paste everything. All right, so over here. So I try to change the value. So over here, my thickness, I want to make it 0. Sorry, this one I don't want. 1.2, for example, save. So you see my thickness of wall, click update, then become thicker. And also the height here, so 60, I try to make it 80, enter, save, go back to my Inventor, local update, then will be updated. So that's how parametric modeling works on Inventor Pro. Okay, how I want to create on single click to change, for example, from part number. So after you're done with this, you need to go to parameter again. You need to create one more, add numeric or add text, part number, text. Sorry, cannot put any space. Part underscore number. Okay, so you just need to click here, make multi-value, and then change to the value to, for example, this one part number Acad 001. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. Click here. Okay. So later what you need to do, you just need to create simple iLogic features, which is you need to go to here, iLogic. Okay, but for today, I don't want to touch more details on iLogic. But if you want to know more, okay, so you can go to our website later, just put your inquiry so we can plan for next session about iLogic topics using Inventor itself. Okay, so that's the idea what parametric modeling can done. So parametric modeling is stand for you want to link your drawing. Okay, they will have three method. Okay, either you want to use CSV file, Excel, or IPT file. So IPT is stand for example, you have one part and another part is depend to another part. You can use Inventor file linking parameter. Okay, then your formula will, for example, I give you one example from here. So I want to create a new one, standard. Okay, this one I save first, update and save. So this part, I just want to create very simple shape over here and create circle with distance something. Okay, so the parameter is quite straightforward. Okay, so the problem is the parameter only have the extrusion parameter, no sketching. because when you create a sketching, you don't put the value. So you need to create a dimension first. Click here, finish, then you will see here. So how to link from this drawing to another drawing? So I just need to click on link again. But for this time, I need to choose Inventor part. Okay, then over here, what I should do, I just need to choose what is the proper parameter that I use. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so this whole. Okay, this whole sketch, the value will be here. So diameter D34. Okay, I need to choose D34. Okay, go to part 2. Okay, parameter, link with the previous model, D34. Okay, but if you already set your parameter here, much more easy. For example, the diameter here, much more easy. D34. Okay, here. So just need to click until change to yellow color and update here. You will see here. So then I just click on D34. So size will be changed. So what will happen when I plan to change the value of here or the value of Excel? So this one I make it 50. H1 I try to make it 17.5 and save. Click here, update. Okay, so they have some issue on the extrusion here, the cut. Okay, so but it's okay. I just want to focus on this circle. Okay, this circle, the size already changed to 17.5. So what will happen to my another drawing? So I also can change, update, create a local update, and over here I need to, yeah, D34. Okay, divide by 2, become this value lah. Okay, so that's the method to link between one part to another part. So you can do your parametric modeling using Inventor, and you can also link your parametric from Inventor to Excel. So that's our objective for today's topic. All right, so I go to our website. Before I go, okay, they will have some question. Okay, can we link with the library? Example, whole size is linked with bold nut size. All right, so good question. When you're already done with your 3D, your assembly, okay, so you can create, because when you're done with assembly means you're already done with every single part. Okay, so if you plan to link between part A and part B, you need to make sure that part B must save before part A save. Okay, for example, here. Okay, I try to create for this case also. Okay, I change back the value. It's 15. 15, save. And update. Okay. Right, so over here, 15. Yeah, right. Which one problem? Okay, so this one dimension problem. Okay, so I just use this sample parts. So I create assembly, create new standard assembly. So this whole size. Okay, place a new item, parametric modeling, and click here. Okay, when you plan to create this screw bolt nut over here, or you want to create screw, okay, so you can create manual by your own, but my suggestion, you need to use, better you use this one. Okay, go to here, bolt connection, and choose proper size. Okay, for this case, I measure first. This circle will be 15 mm diameter. So we'll start with 15 mm diameter. Concentric diameter ISO 15 mm. Okay, so start plane will be here, circular reference will be here, and termination will be at the bottom. Okay, then you need to click on this add fastener. ISO. Wait, circular reference, concentrate. Okay, one more time. And my PC normally M 15 mm. So because too short, I think 7.5 mm. Again, I go to here first. Okay, sini extrude 35. Save and go to assembly. Okay. So I go to ball connection. Dekat sini go to start plane, circular reference, termination. Okay, and choose the size. 1, 2, and 3, 15 mm. So some cases ball connection cannot appear because the size that you have 15 mm is not matched with the length. So that's the problem. Because 15 mm with 30 mm is quite short, the size here. Okay, but I try to go to this circle. This one should be 7.5, but I go to 5. Here, 5 or 7, 6 mm. Start, circle, and termination. Okay, choose any size. Apply. Okay, so this part already go with the dimension. So what you need to do, you can link between the part here, but the parameter you need to set over assembly. So that's the method. Okay, it can be done, but a bit complicated method. But I will suggest better you go with we call it as iLogic for this case because you already link between a few items. So my suggestion, better you go with iLogic, much more easy, much more better to gain the information, to gain your output result. Okay. Right. So I give you a poll for second one, and while waiting for you to answer. Okay. So your for my poll is: are you satisfied with this topic today, or you want to know more details about our topics for next session? You can also join us. Okay. And don't forget to go to our website. Okay, if you have any issue, go to here, this tab, Acad System New Help Desk. Okay, so just click on this, continue as a guest, and key in your information for further detail. So our technical team will respond you immediately, and hopefully my topics for today give you better idea on how you want to improvise your modeling method. Okay. Right, so that's it for my site, and this will be our contact number, Acad KL. This will be our number, Acad Penang, and also you can email to sales@acadsystem.com if you have any inquiry. Okay. All right. So next time I will try to create iLogic session, iLogic topics. All right. Thanks for your time and hope you are happy. Okay. Bye bye.